Hey folks, so this is just a quick little video on the kind of some tips and things on the process of removing or reinstalling one of these little quick connector links. It's like a master link for a multi-speed chain. That's what it looks like right there installed. So to remove one, you'll need a set of these little chain pliers. It's a specific tool to remove one of these little quick connect links. There's also one available to install them, but I really haven't found any really need for that one. But basically you just insert it onto the tool, squeeze it together, and then give it a little twist, and it'll just come right apart there. So basically this is, it's two-piece type link. You got a little towards the center part, the hole gets bigger, so that's where you'll basically fit everything together, and then as you pull the chain tight, it will lock into place. I know some manufacturers will say these are good for just a one-time use, and others, KMC says they're reusable, but I found that normally you can take them on and off, as long as they lock together, and then, on the inside portion there, you can kind of see a little bit of a witness mark. As long as that's not worn in too far, and then the pin is nice and tight still, you can take them on and off several times. I probably wouldn't use one that was on a really worn out chain, because they do wear out just like a typical chain would. So but yeah, in my experience, I found you can take them on and off. It makes it a lot easier if you want to take your chain off the bike and do a thorough clean, put it in solvent or power, wash it off or whatnot, blow it out with air. It makes it a lot easier to take the chain off the bike. So yeah, that's there's one thing as far as I've noticed on the SRAM and Shimano, they have a little directional arrow. So that's the configuration that you would want to install it, with the pin in. That would be the lower end there, and this direction arrow basically will go with the direction of the chain travel as you're pedaling normally. So anyway, I'm putting one on here, and we're just going to assume the chain is the correct length. I'll have a video at the end for if you need to see the whole chain sizing method there. So, basically you'll put your, the pin there. This would be kind of if you're looking down at it, but that would be the direction of the outside facing pin, the one facing you, and then the plate pin links there on the inside would go that direction. So that's a little looser fit KMC, so it's engaged there, but typically this is how you're going to see it. Get it basically connected there, and then usually what I'll do is just pedal it around, if you're working on the bike, and then get it on the top side of the chain. From there you can just apply some torque to lock it into place. I like to just grab hold of the tire there, and then just push down on the crank, get it in a position where it's easy to push down on it. A little difficult to do here with three hands trying to film at the same time, but yeah, that's basically it. You're engaged there. Make sure it's all the way in and chain spins freely. You got the correct size and all that. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you found this video helpful if you're new to this type system, and definitely feel free to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.